Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you do? I hope you will be enjoying the best of your health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 7, over-the-counter medicines. This is lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. It's lecture number 5 under the title of Reading and Comprehension. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learnt about a good citizen. Our today's expected learning outcomes are: apply while reading strategies to interact with text to make simple inferences using context and prior knowledge. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, and when you are told to rise up, rise up. Allah will raise up to suitable ranks and degrees those of you who believe and who have been granted knowledge. And Allah is well acquainted with all you do. Surah Al-Mujadila, verse number 11. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in these verses that Allah rise up those have good degrees in ranks, and Allah blesses ranks to who have firm belief and firm faith on His Almighty and who has knowledge. And even what we think, Allah knows. Allah is well acquainted of everything, even what we think in our mind. Yes, let's refresh our previous knowledge, what we have learned in previous lecture, that why OTC medicines carry risk. Pause the video and respond to your teacher about this question and then come back. Yes, I hope you have done it. So we are going to start our lecture unit 7, over-the-counter medicine, and the remaining and rest of the text we are going to start. Over-the-counter medicines can still carry all risks even though they do not require a prescription. There is the possibility of side effects or harm due to excessive dose. What does the word excessive mean? Excessive means going beyond the normal. And in simple, we can get that it's meaning that more than a required quantity. It's called excessive. And what is the word meaning dose? Dose means quantity of prescription and drug. Dose means that how much quantity we have to take. One thing these OTC drugs all have in common is a label. It is essential to read the label carefully before you take any medicine. It has crucial information on it. All patients should consult with their doctor, pharmacist, or other healthcare provider if they have additional questions concerning OTC drugs. Yes, my dear students, even we already learned that even these medicines are non-prescription medicine, doesn't need any written note from any doctor, but these can carry still risk. How? But there are some information also that is given that we must read labels given on our medicine before taking these medicines, and also we should consult with our doctor if we feel any risk during these medicines. There is a question: why is it essential to read labels on medicines? Pause the video and give that answer to this question. Yes, I hope you have done it. Most medicines should be kept at room temperature and away from sunlight. Some must be refrigerated. Check with your pharmacist or doctor if you are not sure. In this paragraph that they are giving us that where we have to keep our medicines, how we can save our medicines, and we have to keep our medicine away from sunlight, because sunlight affects our medicine and it could be harmful for our health, for us. And some medicines, it must be refrigerated. We can keep it in our refrigerator. And if we have any doubt about these medicine, these drugs, so we must consult with our doctor. Always make sure all medicines are stored safely and out of the reach of the children and pets. Mostly children also try to use these medicines, even they don't know for what these medicines are. So we must keep away out of the reach of children and pets. It's necessary because they could be harmful for them. Why should we keep away medicines from children? Pause the video and answer this question. Yes, you have done it. Let's activity time. Let's learn more about it. Students will answer by self in this activity. To give students a secret way to answer, assign different responses that they think it is correct. Teacher will put question from the paragraphs they have read just now, and students will raise hand to give expected answer. The student with more correct answers will win at the end. That paragraphs we have read just right now, so that paragraph they will use and perform this activity in your class. And let's do an individual activity that answer these questions. These are the remaining rest of the questions, that why is it essential to read labels on medicines, and why should we keep away medicines from our children. Do these questions in your notebook, in your classwork, and then come back. And on page number 63, MCQs, choose the correct option and fill the bubble. Perform this activity in your class on your book. So what's our homework today? Make sentences of the words given in book, page number 63, in question number 2 in your notebooks. This is page number 63, and this question makes sentences of the following words: fever, patients, consult, symptoms, prescription, risk, medicine, dose. These sentences use in sentences from your homework. You will do that in your homework. And this is your worksheets. You may click it, download it, and provide it to your students in the form of printed form. Wrap up what we learned today. We have covered today to apply while reading strategies to interact with text, to make simple inferences using context and prior knowledge. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO, apply while reading strategies to interact with the text, to make simple inferences using context and prior knowledge. Yes, we have done it. Good job. Thank you so much. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.